Hi everyone, I'm Mars from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. Today we are in South X Part 2 showcasing a 500 square yard builder flow. So we have entered right into the flow. Over this side we have the living and the dining area. At the back we have 3 bedrooms. There's 1 bedroom here and the kitchen in the center and the powder room as well, right near the kitchen. So this is the living and the dining, very minimalistic look that the builder has given. He has done the basic work, what we require in a property, but has left the interior work right to you. If you are looking to finalize something like this and want to get the interiors done yourself according to your choice, so that can be done in this property. The basic things have been done. You just need to uh, put add-ons into this property, basically. So this was the main entry to the living and the dining with sliding doors with wooden framing, what we see. And we have another entrance over here through the foyer with another gate. And this is the front side. So we have a sliding door right here. And we get to see the front side of this property. We have a really huge balcony right here. So this balcony is also connected to the first bedroom, which is in front, that I'll show you. Similar kind of flooring work has been done all throughout the house. This is all marble work done. And this is the first bedroom, very spacious. All the rooms are very spacious. All the washrooms are pretty good size, and a lot of space to walk around as well. So you can get a king size bed right here. Again, you will have a lot of space to walk all around it. We have a couple of balconies in here. So this is the right side balcony that you get with this bedroom, and of course the front facing balcony as well that we showed you from the living area. Here is the attached washroom in the first bedroom, and let me show you the wardrobes first. We have the wardrobe here. So these also comes with automatic lightings. So couple of wardrobes. This one is locked right now. And let me show you the attached washroom. Again, a lot of space to walk around in the washroom. So we have separate cubicles for your WC and the shower area. And we have this huge mirror right here with which is backlit, and a lot of space on the wash basin area as well, and a lot of storage compartments in the vanity area. And we have wardrobes inside the washroom as well. These are again locked. They're all locked. This one is open. So we have like 3 wardrobes here and a couple of wardrobes in the room. Let's see the rest of the house. So a lot of space to walk around in the foyer area is pretty wide, so that you get in a 500 square yard. Here is the powder room. Again, you have plenty of space in the vanity area. Huge amount of space that you are getting to see on the wash basin area, plus a really huge mirror also on the wall. So this is the kitchen. Again, very basic work has all been done by the builder. Very minimalist look to it. A really nice cream color has been used on all the cabinets. Plenty of storage you're getting all around over here. Down below and on the top, the chimney and the stove are already installed. We have space here for the microwave and the refrigerator. There's space for the dishwasher also. And here's the separate washing area that the builder has provided over here with the sink and a water heater. This is also connected to the shower for ventilation. And it also comes with a sliding glass door, similar to what we saw in the living and the dining area. So right next to the kitchen we have the main entrance from where we entered. We have a separate servant room on the same floor that we are on, over here near the staircases that I'll show you. So this is the separate balcony that comes along with the servant room, and the servant room is right here, which is currently locked. So I can show it to you from the inside. So there's plenty of space in the lift area as well, right outside the main gate. Here is the family lounge area. Again, a lot of space right here. We have a shower for ventilation. You can see the false ceiling work. We have a VRV air conditioner right here. So all throughout the house you'll be getting VRVs. we are air conditioning in the living room in the first bedroom as well. So we have 3 bedrooms right here. Let me start from here. The second bedroom, similar kind of wardrobes you'll see in this bedroom also that we saw in the first room. We have a backside balcony right here. So a really nice view you get at the back as well. And here is the attached washroom. So you get a separate shower cubicle right here with a glass partition and space for your utilities and the toiletries as well. Over here we get a backlit mirror and space on both the sides of the wall near the wash basin to keep all the toiletries, your vanity space, and the WC is right behind the gate. Let's see the other 2 bedrooms. Let's see this bedroom first. So all the rooms are actually very big in size. You have plenty of space in all the bedrooms, so they can all accommodate a pretty big king size bed, and there would still be a lot of room to walk around. Similar wardrobes you'll find in this room also. This is also connected to a balcony right here. So this is the right hand side of the property. And here is the attached washroom. On the right hand side we get to see a huge backlit mirror with the washing area, the wash basin. Here is the WC, and here is the walk-in shower area. Again comes with a separated with this glass partitioning, and really nicely done up. The builder has used a little more of white color in this along with the beige that is already all throughout the house we have seen. So a very warm feeling you get all throughout the house because of the yellow lighting and the beige color that has been used on the flooring all throughout. And this is the last 4th bedroom. Again similar size. All the bedrooms are very big. Similar wardrobes, you'll get to see a couple of wardrobes here. We have the backside balcony right here. So similar view you'll be getting from here also that we saw in the 2nd bedroom. And both the balconies are not connected actually. We have partitioning given here by the builder in both the balconies, and we have a washing area also right here. Let's see the attached washroom. So right when you enter in the front, we have a similar kind of mirror that we have seen in all the washrooms with the backlighting. Similar wash basin that we have seen. We have plenty of vanity space. Behind the gate we get the WC, and we have this small cutout here, and the shower area again separated by a glass partitioning. Thank you for watching the video guys. I hope you like this property. The whole tour that we gave you of this 500 square yard floor, multiple floors are available for sale in this property as well. So if you liked it, you can give us a call. Our number is in the description, and we'll be really happy to help you, show you around, book a site visit for this or any other property in South Delhi or any other location as well. We'll be really happy to help you, so do contact us. Thank you so much.